Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I am Cathy Malaga, 22 years old, single, from Igbaras, Iloilo. We have seven in the family. There are five. I have four brothers and one sister. That's all, sir.
Okay, how about your education background?
I graduated high school in Igbaras National High School, and then I pursue college in University of Iloilo, undergrad in Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Okay, any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir. I have experience in working as a housemaid in Philippines, in Manila, July to February 2003. And then they have five in their family, one mother and one father. They have three sons, one daughter and two sons.
Okay, how old are the children?
The girl was 3 years old then, and then the next lucky is 2 years old, and the last one is 1 year old.
3, 2, and 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you know the baby is sick?
When I was sick, when he always crying, she or he is not in good mood. That's all, sir. Tapos their body is becoming rashes.
Okay, when you learn that the baby got sick, what you will do?
I will do first. I'll call my employer, and then I call to the hospital or a medical clinic so that he can get a first aid.
Okay, you know marketing?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I can cook, but Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook.
Okay, why you want to apply to Hong Kong, not the other country?
Because Hong Kong, sir, as far as I know, there are many Filipino there working, and then my aunties will also push me to work in Hong Kong because they cannot communicate their sorry, they cannot communicate the what I mean, sir, is their employee was sir, I forgot, sir. Pardon me, sir.
Okay, this is the first time you applied to Hong Kong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how can you solve your homesick?
How can I solve your homesick? Homesick, yes, sir, is part of growing up. So I can when I'm so sick, when I have got holidays, I can also see the other Filipinos there, seeing around. I know they're also but homesick, sir, is I can cry, but in personal, but not in many people. That's all.
Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, the employer will angry with you and shout at you. What you will do?
First, I ask my employer what I have done, and then I get say sorry. That's all.
Okay. Any message to your future employer?
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. I am Cathy Malaga from Igbaras, Iloilo. I am trustworthy, God-fearing, and honest. If you choose me as your employer, I can do all my tasks and in household work, and I promise to improve myself as your household. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.